Hello guys, this is Mr. Kwok, and today, like the first class, I prepared a TOEIC preparation and I prepared a different style or types of questions. Let's get it, guys. So here is your question, and then I will give you 1 minute to think about it, and then please choose the correct answer and come back to watch this video. Like before, first of all, let's read the sentences together, and then I will let you know how to choose the correct answer really quickly with the easiest way. Subject, verb has received top performance reviews. It's the object. So from here to there, it's the complete sentence. Blank. He, subject, joined, verb, the sales department 2 years ago. Kind of phrase up the adverb, this part. So if we think about or outline the long sentence, it could be like this way: subject, verb, object, blank, subject, verb, object. So we need a link or linkage that link two sentences as a conjunction. As a conjunction. So we have to find conjunction. Despite is not a conjunction. Despite is the preposition. Boy, except, preposition. Preposition means pre-positioned in front of the noun or gerund. So it's impossible since possibly. What about D as a dallas during preposition? So there should be a specific noun. So D is also incorrect. So C is correct because C could be used as conjunction, which means since can link both two sentences in terms of structure and in terms of meaning. So in this point, let's have a time to review in depth like before. It's very important. First of all, let's change this subject as Mr. Kwok because it's hard to pronounce. I think better than Kwok anyway. Has received the top performance reviews. Let's think about first of all in this point, uh, the tense. What is the tense? This part is past participle, which means if we think about the graph regarding tense, it's pretty easy. There is a past, and there is also present. In that case, some cases can happen from past to tense, past to present. So this area could be past participle. So let's think about it again. Mr. Kwok has received top performance reviews since he joined the sales department 2 years ago. 2 years ago is a very important keyword. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, Mr. Kwok already joined the sales department at that time. And after that, he got the very good performance reviews. until present. That's why the two sentences tense is different. However, we can find a clue, the specific period, and then we can find why the since is the correct answer. So both in terms of translation of the sentences, also when we think about the structure, since should be the correct answer. Then let's review A, B, and D as a Dallas too. Despite. What is the meaning of despite? It's the same as like a in spite of. Despite, in spite of is a preposition. I'm going to just write down here P, preposition. However, what about this one? Although. Does it have the same meaning? Yes, right. Although it was raining, Mr. Quack ran on the street. Like this way. Or though, or even though. The meanings are the same, however, this part, three things are conjunction. Conjunction. Let's move on to B, except. What is the meaning of except, first of all? Except for blue one, please give me all colors, please. Like this way. So except is also preposition because of when I made a sentence, I used except for or except blue color. So there should be the noun. So after except, we cannot use the perfect sentence. Or the same synonym could be excluding. This one is also preposition. Since normally used as a conjunction. During, it's a preposition. Then how can we use during? So normally after the preposition during, there should be the specific period. For example, the Second World War, like this way. If we make the sentence, for example, during the Second World War, soldiers didn't know how to use nuclear bomb, for example, like this way. So after during, there should be the specific period. During the Second World War or during COVID-19, like this way. So that's why A, B, and D are incorrect, and only C is correct. So if the content was beneficial for you guys, please click the subscription button and alarm because it's going to be very beneficial for me to make the next video because it could be my intrinsic motivation. Thank you guys.